and we know you will.
Na boigomo gavana mochorwe county ya Mombasa Mohamed Samunde Hanasiri ka ukwana korwa sensemejo amono mokonyoye nigo balire irayo gochikani gokora bale hubi yabereke gochirana ana sensemo ya Mombasa ba ukwana korwa sensemo ya Mwakirunge era mono mokonyoye nigo batebiribu na bochikane kyobo chenu nkonyaro ribo gukiniwa ase county ya Mombasa anegokora ehubi era chinsemo aimeye county yo ya Mombasa.
Within the first 100 days, we give out an expression of interest tuangalie how the response will be. Mashirika yote yenye kufanya mambo haya recycling all over the world. There's better, badala kuambia saa yote ya kwa gari zimeharibika, sijui clutches, sijui gari imeharibika nini. Let that be a company that is just dealing with that. Our role is to ensure that we have a stake in the recycling plant na tuweze kuendelea mbele, so we can tumalize matatizo haya once and for all.
Tunakwenda kuhakikisha zile taka ziko pale VOK tumeondoa zote. Tutaondoa takataka zote ambazo ziko pale kwa Sonko, tutaondoa takataka zote ambazo ziko pale Kadongo na VOK.
We have been requested for some issues. These are temporary measures, repair of some of the county equipment, provision of some bulldozers here to sort out the challenges that are faced at this dump site. While we wait for more permanent solutions, we understand there will be policy issues, there will be a proper framework for the management of this dump site. We all look forward to a cleaner Mombasa.